In this video, you will learn how I promote any affiliate offer, right? How I promote and market and advertise Warrior Plus offers, affiliate offers, and different affiliate offers online, right? I'm going to give you guys the backbone of my business that allows me to make $300+ every single day online, and how I promote affiliate offers in 2020, right? A lot of people have been asking me, they've been reaching out to me because they see me on top of leaderboards, or they see me having success when it comes to affiliate-based marketing, and they ask me, Alex, how do you promote, how do you market and advertise your affiliate offers? What is your affiliate marketing business strategy, right? So one thing I do is YouTube videos, right? I make YouTube videos based around like reviews, or like reviews of products, or I make videos showing people step by step on how to do something on different platforms, and then publish that video on YouTube. Now, I don't have any crazy, right? These videos aren't, right? It's me standing outside, right? So I understand that if I can put myself in front of the camera, talk about a review of a product, talk about the good, the bad about the product, or even show you how to do something online, that people are going to resonate with that video. So YouTube, right? And then of course, inside the links of my YouTube descriptions are affiliate links to different affiliate products. So that's number one, right? Is I simply create small YouTube videos and then try to rank that video for either the company's name or rank a video for the title, then leave links inside the description that lead to affiliate offer. Now, what I always recommend, what I always tell people to do, is build your own email list. Build your own email list. So that's another way that I market and advertise affiliate offers, is one, on my YouTube channel. So people watch my videos, right? They're going to watch my videos, they're going to click on the link and subscribe to my email list. So that's number one. Number two is I use my Facebook profile, right, to build up a Facebook list of targeted, right, around my target market and around my target demographic, and simply use my Facebook profile and Facebook groups to bring people back to my profile to ask me more information about what I do, right? So I use my Facebook profile plus Facebook groups to get people to come back to me to ask me, Alex, what is this affiliate offer about? How can it help me? So that's number two. Number three is I use Craigslist ads, right? So I use I use small ads on Craigslist, right? I probably spend about $20 per week on Craigslist ads to build my email list, right? Because I don't mind spending $20 a week or $30 a week on Craigslist ads if that's going to build my email list by 60, 70+ people. Also, what I do is right, because I live in New York City, so I have drop cards with my website on there. I do drop cards and flyers only because I live in New York City and there are thousands and thousands of people. Then twice a month, I buy solo ads from a solo ad vendor to build my email list. So this is pretty much my whole business model. YouTube, right? I make YouTube review videos about companies, about products, or just showing you guys, telling you guys what I do. Then I put links inside the descriptions to other affiliate offers, and I always build my email list. Number two is I use Facebook, right? I use Facebook groups to promote affiliate offers, to bring people back to my Facebook profile to ask me for more information, and of course, send them over to my email list. I use small Craigslist ads, right? $20, $30, $40 a week on ads to build my email list by 100, 200+ people using Craigslist ads. I also do solo ads. So twice a month, I buy a solo ad, right? I have a trusted solo ad vendor where I know I can spend, you know, where I'm getting 30 cents per click, 40 cents per email. So twice a month, I'll buy solo ads to build my email list, because I know if I stay consistent with YouTube, Facebook, and building my email list, over time, the larger the email list, the more money you're going to make. And this is how I do it, right? Now, of course, inside, it's not all about just building an email list and spamming out links. You have to build value with your email list, like, know, and trust with your email list, like, know, and trust with YouTube, like, know, and trust with Facebook. Then build your email list, and this is how I create a full-time income online with affiliate-based marketing: is YouTube, right? YouTube, Facebook, Craigslist, solo ads, build my email list, provide value, share with you guys different opportunities that I think that can make you money or that can help you build your business. So this is how I promote any affiliate offer on the internet in 2020 with Alex. If you want to work with me, you guys can click the link below and find out some opportunities. If you want to get paid daily, you can click the link below. If you want more like mentorship and coaching, reach out to me on Facebook. But this is how I promote any affiliate offer in 2020. YouTube, Facebook, Craigslist, solo ads, build my email list, provide value, help people reach their goals, and that's my affiliate marketing business in a box in under 10 minutes. If you want to work with me, click the link below. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.